Are you tired of being locked out of Discord? Learn how to log in under 2 minutes. We'll cover 3 methods: QR code, email or phone, and password. Let's start with the fastest one. First, head over to the Discord website. You can log in quickly by scanning the QR code. Just open the Discord mobile app, tap your profile avatar, go to User Settings via the cog icon, and select Scan QR Code to scan the code on your desktop screen. Alternatively, enter your email address or verified phone number in the first field. Then, type your password into the next field. Finally, click the Login button to access your account. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.